All right, here we are. Let's take a look at the Murphy floor plan. Now, the elevation plans could be a little different, but let's go and take a look inside. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Here again on this furnished model, this is board batten. Oh, look at this. Wow, as the dining area with a tray ceiling up top. Of course, lots of sunlight. Oh, wow. This looks so good. Sorry, this is the first Murphy in a furnished model that I've seen, and I'm obviously impressed. Oh, and they did the additional sunroom. So this is what adding on the sunroom would do with the Murphy floor plan. This is nice, really nice. Let's take a look. Okay, obviously the extended patio plus the backyard packages that we offer, and we do provide Bermuda on all four sides of our homes. But this is that Murphy floor plan. Really liking what I'm seeing in this furnished model right now. Okay, did the fireplace. That's beautiful. Let's see, this has a big closet too. If I remember, yep, big L-shaped closet. So lots of storage space back in there. And the cabinets underneath on both sides, so front and back of the island. Highly recommend that. And downstairs, so they made this an office, although legally this could be a bedroom, with the closet space. Okay, really cool. The sunlight is really good in here. Little drop zone here off of the garage. Here again, the Riani tankless hot water here. Good sized garage. A little more space even here. And then drop zone here. And let's see. Oh yeah, look at that walk-in shower. That's beautiful with all the tile work here. And it looks like the level 4. As I'm learning the countertops, it looks like the level 4 quartz countertops. Love how this dining area flows into that sunroom. And let's go take a look upstairs. Oak tread stairs. We did the vertical railing instead of a knee wall. Oh, wow. Wow. This is the primary suite with the upgraded shower with the bench, but also the window and the dual head. So you get the rainfall shower head up top. Water closet, good sized water closet as well. And of course, a big primary closet. Wow, I could get lost in here, especially once you started putting some clothes in it. Two dual sink with a tub upstairs here. So this is obviously servicing the loft. And oh, this is a big bedroom actually. Big bedroom with a big closet. with its own window in the closet. Love the coloring that they did here with the designers. The laundry room, smart Wi-Fi closet. So actually good space, plenty of space to even do ironing in here and set up an ironing board. The loft space looks really cool how they have set this up. They've set this up with 2 beds, big bedroom. And another closet. And another good sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. Wow, really well done. I really like the size of the guest bedrooms in this house upstairs as well. So going back to the primary. Again, this is Rob Greer, aka social media at Rob Real Props, now with Pulte Homes, showing you the Murphy floor plan, one of the 4 floor plans that we can set you up with in Elmbrook, the current neighborhood that I'm working in. So let's get together, reach out to me, let's set an appointment, and let's get you living in a home like this. Very impressive. Thanks again.